from earlier, 5.2, forms replicate a simple form. We basically got all the HTML and the form elements and the radio buttons and the checkboxes and the input pages, but one thing we forgot to or didn't do is how do you make this go over the entire both of the columns, because it's only covering one and it's altering the look and feel of our table. And the way you would do that is, see, this is a TD and we only have one. There's something called col span, and obviously I didn't know off the top of my head. I had to Google it just to be sure. And over here I can do this TD over here, col span, or the column span. It's going to span 2 columns. Okay, so we're going to do that for this and that. And when you run your code, that looks more like it. Now, how do we get the lines in the middle? That's something that I had to look up as well. So styling CSS tables, I looked under W3, and I wanted basically this look right here. So table TH, TD, border, 1 pixel. I want it solid. And in this case, they want it black. So I'm going to copy and paste that code, and I'm going to dump it right there. And maybe I'll put gray in this case. And there's one more thing we have to do, TH. And TH is going to be, we need the background color. Back color, and we're going to put it, I don't know, let's try something called violet. I don't know the exact color. I don't want to look up the hexadecimal color for it. So I'm just going to run it. And that's good enough for me. The only other thing is to center this over here. So what we can do is, how are we going to center just this single TD? Well, let's give it an ID. ID equals submit, what is it? Submit row. Submit row. So we gave it a submit row. And let's just put submit row, and let's just put the margin auto. Let's see how that works. Didn't fix it. Oh, maybe we have to do that to the button, not the. So let's give it an ID. Control X. Run. Didn't work either. All right, well, I'll leave that to you to figure out how to align a button. You could always Google it, aligning in center of TD. How to align center of a TD. And text align center, vertical align middle. So let's try that out. If that doesn't work, I'll leave it to you. All right, text align center. Let's see if that works. I knew it wasn't going to work because it's not text. All right, I'll let you figure it out, how you make this button, the submit button, in the center of the screen. Other than that, that's it. You can submit it. And other than the centering feature, you're done.